Hi sis. Karon pa lang mag-sorry na ko daan because I'm 2,000 kilometers away. As much as I wanted to to go, hindi siya pwede, hindi siya possible given the circumstances and circumstances of why I'm here. But do know that you know how much I wanted to go, diba? Like, kanang even before everything, even before kay Sir Sunny, kanang naanay talks or kanang conversations about future wedding or whatever, may it be with as a joke with me or with Sis Dane or kanang ano ta, threesome ta, whatever. But I know that you've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and I'm very glad and happy and excited that it's finally coming true for you. I'm happy that you found someone like Sir Sunny, who's very caring, very understanding, and very, very sweet to you. So I'm glad na even if I'm not there, someone is taking care of you. And as I said, you know how much I wanted to be there for you. Even when wala pa kay wedding gown, I already had my suit, diba? Kanang I had one made because I knew even if wala pa kay date, wala pa kay anything, nag-prepare na ako. So I hope that you don't forget to be happy and to enjoy your day and to take it all in, because I'm sure above everybody, you're the one who well, aside sa ikaw ang star sa show, ikaw dyan ang pinaka dapat mag-enjoy. And na ako'y one favor, if it's not too much to ask. The katong wedding gift na mo ni Dane unta sa imo, I hope you'd wear it on your wedding day pa. Makakry ko! Okay, wait lang. I hope atong wedding gift naman ni Sis Dane, and kato atong friendship ring, if it's possible, suot nimo siya on your wedding day para at least I'm there in spirit. Okay, yun lang, because I'm off to school. I don't wanna cry. Sis, I love you so much, sis. I wish I was there. Bye.